Hello everyone, I'm Othai in the United States. I would like to try on SHEIN top, summer top, and a pair of shoes. I order oversized top t-shirt. I like cat print very much, and also other three. They are all cute, soft fabric, good for summer. I decided to return all of them because they are too big. I am a little bit upset because I like them. I like the fabric very much, comfortable wearing in summer, especially the cat print and cherry. I thought I may order again smaller size. Unfortunately, they don't provide it smaller. The size I purchased is smallest 0XL. It is very, very, very big. And the pair of shoes, they are cute. I had the printed similarly like this and get rid of them long time ago. Then look for a couple years and now I decided to get them. Bye.